In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs Voice Whisper. First things first, we're going to start by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, just something you're comfortable with and that can access the internet smoothly. Once you've done that, the next step is to sign into your ElevenLabs account. You can do this using your email and password, or if you prefer, you can sign in using single sign-on, commonly referred to as SSO. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all the tools you'll need for this tutorial. Now that you're signed in, you'll want to navigate over to the text-to-speech section. This is the heart of what we'll be working on today, and it's where we'll create that whisper effect. Make sure you've selected the 11v3 model. This is important because each model may have slightly different features and capabilities, and for our purposes, the 11v3 model has exactly what we need to make that whispering voice come to life. Next, you'll notice the voice option located in the sidebar to your right. Click on the name that appears just below it. This will allow you to select a voice, giving life and character to your text. Spend a bit of time here, and don't rush. Finding the right voice is key. You'll search for the voice that you prefer, one that you think will convey the whisper effect most effectively. Now comes the part where we add that special touch to your text to make it whisper. In the text area where you input what you want to be converted to speech, include the word whisper within square brackets. This small addition is what tells the system to adjust the normal speaking voice to a whisper, creating that unique sound you're looking for. After you've prepped your text, go ahead and click on the Generate Speech button. This is where all your preparation meets fruition. Give it a listen and make sure it sounds as you had envisioned. You might want to review the audio files a few times to ensure everything is just right. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds, you're nearly finished. You have a couple of options here. You can download the file to your device for future use or sharing. Alternatively, if it's ready and perfect, you might share it directly from the platform. This is a fantastic option for immediacy and might get your work out there a bit quicker. And there you have it. You've successfully created a whispering voice using ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you can add a captivating new element to your projects, ensuring your audio stands out in the crowd. Don't forget to experiment with different voices and texts. You might discover some unique combinations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy